Hey everyone, good morning. It is February 1st, 2024 at 9:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here we are what I have for you today is a mid-80s Amber Galaxy 2150 12-inch oscillating table fan. This I got back, I would say October, maybe around October, early November at Goodwill. I think it was like $10, something like that. I don't think I ever made a video on this one particularly, but I got three of these 2150s. I got one in brown, one in blue, and I got this amber one. This is my third Galaxy 2150. It runs pretty good. The only thing is when the original owner decided to glue the blades on for whatever reason, so you can't take the blades off to clean them. However, the spinner nut works, so I don't understand why they would glue the blades on. But other than that, the fan does work, and it works flawlessly. Although, when you first turn it on, sometimes after it's not been running for a while, it doesn't always like to start up right away, especially on low. So I don't know if that's a switch issue. I don't know, but it runs pretty good. I ran it all night for the last couple nights now because I put it over here to because I did away with a lamp that I had here to put this over here. So yeah, it's low. Start with low on oscillation. It's quiet. It runs good. And that's all that matters. I'm just getting over COVID, so and I've been home since last Tuesday, so I really would love to go back to work, but let's make that steady. So there we can make that nice and steady. There we go. And we'll do medium. So you can hear the sound of the fan. There you go. And high. And I'll turn the oscillation back on. I'll let it go a couple times. It's pretty strong. It blows a lot of air, which is nice. I like these Galaxy table fans. They're really good fans. Here's medium oscillation. And low oscillation, which you've already seen, but it's okay. And off. OFF spells off. Alright guys, comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.